Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Assetto Corsa on PC. First, you'll want to install the game directly through Steam, which simplifies the entire setup process. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. For the best control and immersion, connect a compatible racing wheel or a high-quality gamepad before you start playing. Once installed, launch Assetto Corsa and head to the main menu. It's crucial to calibrate your racing wheel or gamepad in the Options menu to ensure precise and responsive input. Take some time to adjust your graphics settings. Find a balance between stunning visuals and smooth frame rates for an optimal experience. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. And speaking of upgrades, just like you're upgrading your racing setup, why not upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum? It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. You can find the link and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now you're ready to hit the track. From the main menu, select your preferred car and a track that interests you. Start with a practice session or a quick race to get a feel for the game. This is your chance to familiarize yourself with the track layout and understand how your chosen car handles before diving into competitive events.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.